Okay, guys, welcome to a live streaming session. We're heading 15 minutes into the core CPI number, well, headline number out of the Eurozone, as well as the core CPI number out of the Eurozone. We've discussed it this morning on the FX live stream. It's an important number, but it's been a bit trickier to trade over the last few sessions, so just be aware of that. The main number that I think most of us are looking at on the floor will be the core CPI number. Just a little bit of heads up, yesterday the German number, what actually came out, the headline number came out pretty much in line, but it was elevated by higher energy and food prices, which therefore implied that potentially the core German inflation was lower. So will that feed into the Eurozone core numbers? For the last few months, since around May, we've just been going up on the core numbers to where the last print was at 1.3 on the Reuters. So any slip below that, any downbeat core changes the trend. The last 4 or 5 month trend of core numbers increasing. So keeping a close eye on that. Any beat, 1.4, 1.5. Do take into consideration we have month end today, so will the Bund be able to hold an offer? A couple of the guys are looking at a particular absorption zone around 161.01s. So that's really for today. That's the main data point for most of the guys, what they're looking at. And then we have the PCE core numbers later today. So it's really all about inflation today. And all the best of luck if you are trading this number. And do remember, you don't have to trade it if it doesn't come within your plan. With regards to technical structures in the Bund, we are trading within last week's value area now. We opened just above last week's value area high as per the TPO TT chart, so not the volume but the TPO value area, and we're slowly coming towards it at around 161.39. Okay, all the best of luck.
20 seconds. You're looking at for the Eurozone prelim readings for September CPI. Headline expected 1.6, core expected at 1.2% growth year-on-year reading.
Euro area September.
1.5%, 10th lower for the core 1.3%, that's 10th higher, so quite mixing. The headline 1.5% versus 1.6 expected, while the core is a 10th high, 1.3 versus 1.2%.
1.2%.